Montgomery County in northeast Washington, north central Stevens County in northeast Washington, until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds near 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Colville, or 57 miles northwest of Priest River, and moving north at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Colville, Kettle Falls, Marcus, and Evans. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.